right. So I was wanting some new, I don't have them, new sunglasses because my old Oakleys just weren't feeling the future Iron Man vibes. So I got Pit Vipers. I know a lot of people got on the bandwagon real early. Even myself, I thought they weren't worth the hype and stuff, but then I started seeing them at the local bike shops a lot. And then I started looking at some of the colors and stuff, and it actually seemed pretty dope to wear. And a lot of sunglass companies don't even do polarization, and I like fishing and stuff, so when I saw polarization, I was like, I might give them a try. So that's pretty much the box. There's some funny eye imagery on there. I got nothing else important on the box, but inside the box was the little nose piece, and then they got some stickers that came with it. Don't know what I'll do with these stickers. Oh, that one's kind of cool. It's a banana sticker though. Vitamin C. What's this on here? Oh, there's a wiener, a little hot dog. And then something for your ID. I guess you can enhance your ID. I don't know what that's for. There's another banana sticker. But anyway, yeah, so that's the stickers. I got the Polarized Pit Viper 2000 series, or just 2000. I think they're supposed to mimic the 2000 year. I use my dive knife. I haven't been making a lot of dive videos, but if you guys are interested in dive knives, this dive knife by Rife is probably my favorite knife I've ever had. Also comes with a little nice leg mount for it. Freaking fantastic. I don't know what else to say about it, but if you guys watch me in my dive stuff, I know I haven't been filming them lately. Very good for gilling fish, bleeding them, gutting them, braining them. Very sharp. Probably not good for opening stuff because it's too sharp and dangerous, but so here we go. I know how to open it. I don't even know where the So it comes in a, nothing else in the box. Comes in a soft case, kind of different. Pit Viper sunglasses from the future. Awesome. So I got these colors, sort of like a old pink. Oh yes, look at that! Didn't even know they move like that. You can angle them down like a Pit Viper, or angle them up. I feel like you're breaking them, but probably won't ever move them too much. Well, yeah, it's the Pit Vipers. What else is in here? We got a nice little soft bag with some goodies in it. Looks like it comes with its own set of lanyards. Which is cool. I don't see a lot of sunglass companies doing that. So props to you, Pit Viper. And there's a little instruction guide. So you got OP Turbo, which is up, and Full Turbo, which is down. So that's again with the angling. So I'll just do this side. So like it though. So that's full turbo. No, this is full turbo. The other one's OPP turbo. But again, it's just, God, it just feels so brittle. I don't think I'll be doing that too much. But not too shabby. I don't even know the camo or the lens color that I got. Really, I just liked them. I usually get a lot of blue glasses, and I wanted something that was a little bit maybe more ambery, in case I go out in the ocean and stuff. I can actually use them for out there too. But they're definitely polarized, because when you tilt your head sideways, I like looking at screens and stuff, you can see all the effects. Kind of probably could have gotten the ones that wrapped around the corner for blocking out some sunlight. I didn't even think about that model, but not too shabby. So yeah, that's the Pit Vipers. Peace!